Hello, I'm Sue from createwithsue.com, and today we're going to look at this master line script font that was free in Creative Fabrica, and I'm not sure how long it's free for, but we're going to have a quick look at how to add the swirls and swishes to Canvas Workspace. So I'm going to download this font. Looks really pretty. So there's the download button, and we will click download. Now I have already downloaded this font and had a little play with it, so I won't download it again. I'll just close out of this, and here is my folder. Normally it will download to your download folder. I've shifted it to my fonts commercial because I can use it commercially, and that is it there on the right, Masterline calligraphy font. So you can see it's got a little zipper that tells you it's a zip font, and click on the extract all, and you can see that it will open its own folder. So we're going to go extract, and I've already extracted, so we'll just go and find where it extracted to on mine, and there it is right there. So we just open it up. It comes in two types of files, so a true type font and an open type font. Now the open type font is a newer type of font, so it's up to you which one you install. Just don't install both of them, just one or the other. This one looks exactly the same as the true type font. I'll open the true type font as well. So that one there. And you can see the swirls and swishes of the capital letters in front of you there. And this is the one I installed, was the true type. So I'll just go in and show you quickly how you install it. So I open it up, and here on the left, install. And as once again, I won't install it again. Once you've installed it, you can open Canvas Workspace, and I'll just zoom in a bit, and have a little play in there with your font. We'll go over here to the left and hit on the T, and I'll just type in the word love, and you can see the swish already there, and I've enlarged it so it's quite big on the screen so you can see it. And I'm using a product called MainType font to bring in the swirl. Up the top there, you'll see it's already come in as Masterline script, but normally it will come in as Oaklands. So just go and find your font and type, or change it or type with it. Get rid of that. So you can see all the different swirls on this character map in MainType. Yeah, I'll just change the view so you can see there's a whole range of my file, or my fonts in this program, and you can just click on each of them. I've just got the word Barbie typed up here on the top left, but you can type whatever word you want. That's looks a nice one for split lettering font. I think that one will probably be pretty good. Moana monogram, goodness. Haven't used that one. So there's the Masterline script font, and we can choose a swirl that we want. So I'm just going to type in, I've typed in the word love here, and I can type in the word mum or whatever word you want, and have a quick look to see what it will look like if you use it. So this is an easy way of choosing whether you actually like the swirls and things of that font. Just type in the wording that you want to see. So Create with Sue, that looks a pretty wording that way. You can select different options down there. I like this top option best, but you can have a play with the others. Okay, let's bring it in. So to move the glyph lettering into Canvas Workspace, I'll just move that to the left a little bit so I've got a bit more room. So click into your box that you've created, your wording that you created, and just delete the letter that you don't want or you're going to replace, and then go and hunt for it in MainType. So they've got one with a little swish. You can see that's the E. There's another E just there. It's got a funny little kink on it. And then this one's got a big swirl right there. That one there's got a big swirl. Let's have a look what this one looks like. So right click and copy to clipboard, and then click it back in where you edited that E out, and right click or Control V for paste, right click and paste it, whichever. So that's your right click and you can paste, and that's what it will look like. So just shrink it down so it fits inside your canvas mat sizing. And let's go and have a look what else the other ones will look like. So that's that one. Where's that other one gone? Just there. We'll right click and copy to clipboard, and that's got a big upward swish like that. That's quite nice too. And I think there was one more. We'll have a look what that looks like too. So you get the idea. It's fairly easy to do. It's just a matter of working out which type of swish you want. I think that's that other E is the only other one that there is. Can't see any more there. That style will have a kink like that. There was another type of swish I saw. Might not be available for the E. Anyway, this one's this third choice that I found. And we'll just have a quick look to see what that is. That's Control V again. I don't think I love that one. I'll give a bit of colour so we can see it a bit better. So I've gone up to the properties panel up there and give it a bit of colour, and that's what it would look like. Now I'll zoom right in so you can see. I'll get back to my little pointer. These pieces here, these black lines, will cut out, so you actually need to weld this font together so you've got no cut lines into your other lettering. So it's quite nicely joined together, so that's good. There's no editing to be done. And I'll zoom back out so I can see what I'm doing. So select the font and then scroll down in the edit panel. Scroll down to the weld, and that's the weld on the left there, and click weld. And you can see, I'll zoom back into so you can see properly again. You can see that that line that would have cut into the letter it was attached to has gone and welded in. And it looks like it's done a good job. So that's good. So let's do another word. We'll perhaps do mum. Seems like a good one to do. You can spell it M-O-M if you if that's the way you spell it. And same deal, we're going to swap the M out and see what sort of M's we've got in this font. So I can see straight away there's a little swishy one up there like the E was. And the swirl up in the air one as well. And is there another one? Oh, this one looks interesting. See, that wasn't available in the E. I didn't see it in the E. So let's go and see what this one looks like. Oh, that's good. So there's some of the other characters. So some letters have the additional swishes and some don't. So that M has that extra bit. We'll weld it and add some, shrink it down and move it over a bit so it's, if I can grab it, there we go. And we'll give it a bit of colour. Do the pink again. There we go. So it's pretty easy to add the swishes and the swirls. And this font looks pretty good, I reckon, to cut or draw. I don't know about drawing, might be a bit thick to draw, but for vinyl it would be really good. And you can also use, if you've got a PC, character map. I've got another video that will show character map on it as well. So anyway, this is MainType and the Master Line font. I'll see you next time. See ya.